Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's podcast. I'm Elena, your host, bringing you the freshest and most exciting news from the refrigeration world over the past week. From game-changing innovations to strategic acquisitions, we've got a cool lineup you won't want to miss. Remember, you can find more details on these stories and plenty more on our website, reefindustry.com. Now, let's dive into the chilly waters of refrigeration news. First up, Carrier has launched an innovative high-temperature heat pump package known as the AquaForce 61XWHVZE. This heat pump is ready to use for district heating and industrial applications, providing an electrified solution that can run on ultra-low GWP refrigerants. It promises zero carbon emissions at the point of use, championing a decarbonized future by integrating into existing heating systems. Its compact design allows for easy installation, even in tight spaces, while maintaining high seasonal efficiency. Next, Panasonic Heating and Cooling Solutions is shaking things up in Europe. At MCE 2026 in Milan, the company laid out its HVAC and refrigeration strategy for the continent. Exciting new arrivals include the F-type air-to-water line and the AquaG Evo in the 20 to 30 kilowatt range, targeting light commercial projects. Also catching our eye was the ICO2 reline, ideal for retail and cold storage with its eco-friendly R744 refrigerant. Panasonic is serious about making sustainable innovations that help improve indoor air quality and simplify installations. Johnson Controls has hit the road with an innovation studio tour, making its first appearance at MCE 2026 in Italy before heading to 44 European cities. Designed to showcase their latest HVAC and building technologies, the tour displays an array of products including the super-efficient York HT chiller. Johnson Controls highlights substantial energy savings and reduced water usage with their tech, all part of their mission to tackle Europe's energy challenges and boost resilience in key facilities. Vertiv is on the acquisition trail. They are set to acquire ThermoKey SPA in an effort to amp up their capabilities in high-density AI data centers. ThermoKey specializes in microchannel heat exchange solutions, adding depth to Vertiv's already impressive thermal management portfolio. This move is anticipated to enhance Vertiv's support for high-efficiency cooling strategies across thermal infrastructures, offering more choice and flexibility for emerging AI and data center applications. Lastly, Thermo King is rolling out the E-Volution range, an electric refrigeration system for trucks. Now in serial production, this electric unit delivers a remarkable 45% reduction in CO2 emissions compared with traditional diesel units. Slim, light, and with built-in telematics, E-Volution offers a simple installation and easy remote management. Designed for versatility, the system can work seamlessly with both battery electric vehicles and internal combustion trucks, making it perfect for noise-sensitive urban areas. And that's a wrap for this week's cool stories. From environmental strides in electric refrigeration to strategic growth in thermal innovation, these stories highlight the vibrant evolution of the refrigeration industry. Be sure to check out reefindustry.com for the details on these and other stories shaping the sector. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay cool.